nigga on the run with the gun, G. It's nighttime, time to do a crime on the CC, bitch. I got the dick now in my hand, now you know the seat off in the clip. Click up on the trick, I got the chicken in my brain. Blow a nigga ass off, it's in this CC, hold her here. Lock in my motherfucking hand, finna spray up in the head. Oh, kicking it with my nigga down on Macklemore. Pimpin' nigga on the real offense, I feel too wrong, bitch. Cause my fucking pepper, funky beat in the fucking dick. Murder in the first degree, on your hoe on the valley. You can't run your stupid bitch, cause I creep like a fucking snake. 5-4 on my ass, gotta get away. First degree, I never go to jail, but murder in the first degree. One time, trying to do a creep up on the killer scene. Thought that nigga dead, a nigga did a murder in the first degree. I ain't going, gotta be throwing for coming up into the pit. Gotta find dead or alive, I guess they have to take me deep. Then I heard a knock up at the door, my man was gone. Better make yourself known, no, I'm gonna pop this bomb. It's my nigga Mac T. What's up, have you heard T? Word on the other side, that I did a homicide. Man, I'm having flashback. This a problem with the gat. All I remember that I had the Glock standing on the track. Hit the dude, I don't know, also blink, probably so. But I know what nigga on the run from the 5-0. Hanging my phone by my dick, some of that shit be ballin' quick. Gotta get about my killing, cause I need some cash. Find a nigga on the track, should I rob him? All I can't, he tryna get his ass. Then I might as well rob a bank, running a bank with the man. Stuck it up and got the cash, jump into the Chevy bag, max it all plus the gas. He ain't shit to me because I'm down about my killing. Don't fuck with, see, I'm down for a murder in the first.